So I wanted to take a couple minutes to show you my Apple II collection. And first on the list is the Apple IIe. This computer was released in 1983 and was produced over 10 years, making it the longest produced Apple computer or Apple device of any kind that I know about. This one I believe has 256K upgrade from the original 64K of RAM that existed on the motherboard. This guy is an Apple II Plus, which was released in 1979, just a few years after the Apple II computer. This one has a Monitor 3, which originally was for the Apple III computer, but due to poor design and overheating problems, that computer just did not sell very well at all. Next on my list is the Apple IIgs. This is my personal favorite computer. It's the computer I grew up on. This is a ROM 3 board, and so it had over a megabyte of RAM from the get-go, but I have a 4 megabyte expansion on it. And my fourth computer here in the Apple line is the Apple IIc Plus. And I don't have it hooked up right now. I just don't really have that much room, as you can see. And I actually have another Apple IIgs right there with a number of floppy drives. Anyway, just wanted to show you my collection.